Welcome to CAD with Mr. Yu. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to construct the equilateral triangle. There are two videos. In the second video, I'll be showing you how to construct the triangle using the base angles. So we're going to use our T-square and we'll be constructing the equilateral triangle given the length of the three sides. And because the base is 100 millimeters, we'll be drawing the base now. So we're going to draw our construction line, which we did a while ago. We're going to measure 100 millimeters on this construction line. So we're going to mark the point A. Then we're going to measure 100 millimeters from this point. Then we're going to label this capital A, capital B. The next thing we're going to do now, we're going to locate point C. So we're constructing an equilateral triangle. So AC would be 100 millimeters because the property of a equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. So we're going to measure AB and we're going to mark an arc above. We're going to put the compass point at B with the same radius A. And we're going to mark an arc above to intersect the previous arc. Where the two arcs intersect, that is C. We're going to darken it so you can see the pencil. Alright, so we're going to label this point C, which is the intersection of the two arcs. So we are doing the first way how to draw the equilateral triangle given the length of a side. So mark that point, label that point C, and we take a ruler or a set square, move the T-square out of the way. You don't need a T-square, by the way. Alright, we're going to draw BC. We're going to draw AC. Good. And this is an equilateral triangle. Alright, what we're going to do now, we're going to put the dimensions on the triangle so that it shows clearly that it's an equilateral triangle. Okay, so we draw these lines extending vertically down. Then we draw a line across and we're going to insert the dimensions now. So we draw a solid triangle there. We draw another solid triangle at A, the side towards A. And then we label this 100 millimeters. All right. We're going to do the same thing for the other two sides. So we draw this line, and we do the same thing from B. We draw this line and that line. Then we draw the line, the dimension line, which as you know will be parallel to the side BC. So we dark there, label there. All right, so this is 100 millimeters. We're going to draw the dimension line over here. I'm going to draw the dimension line. All right, we're going to label it the drawing now, right? So we draw our construction lines. These are our guidelines so that we can write between these guidelines. So we're going to label to construct I'm going to put on the 100 millimeters here. To construct a triangle given the three sides. We have come to the end of today's video. In today's video, we looked at the construction of an equilateral triangle and we drew the triangle given the three sides. In the next video, which is part 2, we'll be constructing another equilateral triangle given the base angle. Please take care until then. Bye. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.